Hey guys, Greg Solis with Primo RV here for another Feature Friday. Today we're going to go over a really popular floor plan that's just recently come out by Grand Design. It is the 340 RDS. And what's really neat about this unit is, it's a mid-profile fifth wheel, only 10,800 pounds, only about 35 foot long. So, it's a shorter camper, but it has 4 slide outs. A lot of room in it and some really cool features. So we're going to start off on the outside and kind of work our way around it, and then we'll ease on into the inside. You can see the inside of the unit as well. Of course, with Grand Design, lots of storage. That's kind of the name of the game with a lot of units that they have. You've got the storage in the front, which guys love because they like to put their tools and extra things in here. A lot of compartments actually have a spare tire in there, but it takes up a lot of your storage. They put their spare tire underneath the camper, so this is great for extra storage. It has auto self-level, so it's just a matter of touching the button and the whole camper levels itself out, even remembers the height that it came off of your truck, so it makes hooking up and leaving really, really nice and convenient. You got one huge electric awning, which covers the door. Nice size with LED lights underneath it as well. It has deep tinted windows to help keep out the sun and all that. You have some additional storage here. So for a mid-profile camper, you got to admit a lot of space. Even has an auto feature, which a light comes on automatically when you open up the door to your pass-through storage, even when you open up the door to the camper. So no more trying to find your phone or a light to switch, that type of thing. So it makes it really nice and convenient. You're also going to notice that this year they really stepped up the quality of their gel coat. You're going to notice a lot more resin in their fiberglass, so you're getting this nice, pretty shine. So it's really a nice feature. This is very, very similar to what they have in their Solitude, which is their Mac Daddy of their line. You have these really nice steps. A lot of campers in the MORryde steps, you have different steps that are out there, but a lot of them only have 3 steps. This one has 4, so your step height is a lot closer together, especially for those people that are kind of struggling with some knee and hip issues. They easily fold up into the camper, so it makes it nice and easy. Just lift up and store above. So it's really a nice feature. Nice improvement by Grand Design. They're nice and sturdy, so when you're going in and out of the camper and you're in a hurry or whatever, you make sure you have good foundation while you're stepping on. Of course, the grab handle here is nice as well. All right, inside, really, really well thought out floor plan. Having access to a big sink is something that I think everyone mentions. Stainless steel, big farm sink, so you can get your big pots and pans in there. Of course, solid countertops, but lots of room here. Then you're also going to need all the storage here. So these are all real wood cabinets and all that allow you to have a lot of storage. These are big, deep areas, for those big pots and pans. Plus, you got this storage up top. And all these cabinets are actually glued and screwed to the wall. You have wooden backers and also steel backers that are in there that you're screwing into. So you have a lot more secure cabinet than just screwing it into the aluminum tubes that are provided. You get your 12 cubic foot refrigerator here, gas electric, so plenty of room in your refrigerator. And then I love this setup here. This is actually a table that you can actually pivot around. You have these 2 chairs here, so you can sit at either each end, or you can actually flip the table around and you can have a booth on this side. This huge window right here on your campsite, so you can look out, and see the kids playing outside, the barbecuing and all going on. You got really nice, large blackout shades that pull down, so if you want to, have a little more privacy or get the sun out of your eyes, it's easy to do. And then they have this large area up here for extra storage. So that's one of the things you're going to really notice in this one. Is a lot of storage for all your goodies. Now, as we walk around, you'll see a really nice kitchen area. So you've got some additional area, countertop area here. So as you're cooking on both sides, you got electrical outlets and all like that for, might be a blender, a coffee pot, whatever. Bigger oven than what you've seen in years past. And actually, this oven is nicer in the fact that you actually can put a temperature in instead of having it like most campers where it's just high, medium, low, and you don't really know what the temperature is. You can actually digitally and put, you know, the actual temperature that you want the oven to be. So that's nice. And then of course you've got these 3 burners up here for cooking. Nice big microwave. And some other additional cabinets here. And we can't forget about the big pantry. This is what everybody loves. Motion light kicks on as soon as you open the door. Plenty of room, you know, for all your foods and anything else that you want to store in there as well. Now let's check out this whole rear den area. And what's neat about this, you can picture, you know, your family all sitting together, visiting, you know, watching TV right here. You've got 2 nice size sofa sleepers that fold out, make into a nice size bed. So you can sleep 4 in here. You've got 2 that can sit here in these nice recliners that have heat and massage in them. So everybody's got a good view of the TV. But at the same time, if you have company and you need a place for 4 adults to sleep or whatever, this is a great place for them to do that. When you get up in the morning time, no need to wake them because they're in here. You can still get your coffee going in the morning, cook breakfast, that type of thing. Get all that going and wake the kids up after it's all done. So it's a really, really nice layout. And of course, as you see, nice big fireplace, additional storage here, all this up here. So it's even cabinets over here. So I think they really went over the top with the storage, which is really awesome. So let's go check out the bathroom area. Okay, now as you see, another nice improvement this year. All one-piece fiberglass shower, big seat, you know, so you can get nice and comfortable, especially for ladies when you're sitting down, shaving your legs. Even have that little area there which you can put your foot up on while you're shaving your legs. Extra area to put the shampoo and, you know, the soap and all those types of things that you might need, razors and that type of thing in your shower. Skylight, nice big skylight. And then of course, a lot more storage even here. So you've got this nice cabinet area that opens up. So you have this whole area for all your linens, even up top. Then you've got storage below the sink area. And of course the vanity, you've got a lot of room there, you know, for makeup, that type of thing. And then you've got your medicine cabinet up top. So really a nice setup here as well. Now let's move into the bedroom area. I love this setup. You know, this has an option of a king or queen bed. A lot of people prefer the queen just because it gives you a little bit more room to walk around the bed, make the bed and that type of thing. But hey, you guys that want a king bed, that's an easy thing to do. We can do that here at our store. We simply remove these side tables right here and a king bed will easily fit in. You've got, of course, under bed storage in here, so plenty of storage for blankets and all those types of things you kind of want to have, but you know, not have them taking up valuable space. You've got this nice big dresser, so you got plenty of storage there. Then even up above, you got some overhead cabinets. TV is pre-wired in here as well, so you can either mount the TV on the wall with a pull-out swivel, or you can put the TV on the dresser. Got your second AC in here, really well lit. Even has your lights over the pillows and all. So if one of you like to read at night, you don't have to worry about disturbing the other one. And then of course you got this huge, you know, closet area. These 2 nice mirrors that really give you, you know, when you're getting dressed, we kind of make sure everything is in good shape, no hidden spider webs, whatever on you. But you got this nice big closet area. So you've got plenty of area, you know, up here for shoes or purses, that type of thing. Large rod here for hanging clothes, additional storage there for shoes, whatever it might be. Some big shelves on each side of this cabinet area that you could even put a washer and dryer if you choose to do that as well. So it really made a good, a really nice size closet, something you can actually step in and out of. And you know, everyone loves that closet area. So I hope you enjoy the walkthrough area today. If you have any questions, please come by, call us, whatever. We'll be glad to help you anytime. But we'd love to see you up here at Primo RV. And thanks so again, and happy camping.